How to post a picture on Facebook. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can post a picture on Facebook. To do so, first of all, open your Facebook application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the top, you'll be able to see what's on your mind box. You may tap on this option, or you may also tap on the gallery icon right next to this option. Once you tap on it, now you will need to select the pictures from your gallery you would like to upload. Once you select it, you will reach to this page. Here, if you want to add a caption, you can add it by tapping on this say something with this photo section, and here you can add your caption. You will get the options to edit and make it 3D. If you would like to add more photos, you can simply scroll down and tap on this add more option at the very bottom, and then select a new photo from your gallery. Once selected, tap on the next option at the top right. In this way, you can add more pictures to your post. You may also choose a layout for your post by tapping on the options presented below. After that, if you'd like to tag friends, include your location, you can add it by using the options given below. Once you're satisfied with your post, you can now tap on the post button at the top right corner of your screen, and then you will need to wait for a while until it gets published. And after that, you will see you have successfully posted pictures on your Facebook account. So by following these steps, you can post pictures on Facebook. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.